Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn IT Online Plus, your mobile IT class. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at how to install Windows on your PC using a USB pen drive. How to installing Windows on your PC using a USB pen drive. One needs to download and install PowerISO and also download your preferred Windows operating system. You can find the link to these downloads within the description area of this tutorial on my YouTube channel. Now, having installed your PowerISO on your PC, open it as an administrator. Once it opens, select Tools on your menu bar and from the drop-down options, select Create Bootable USB Drive. This command opens the Create Bootable USB Drive windows. Now click on the folder icon next to the image file text box and browse for your already downloaded Windows application software. Now when you click on Start, the application software will notify you on its intention to overwrite all existing data on the drive. Click on OK and allow the process. You will be notified upon an unsuccessful or successful completion. Note that not all USB pen drives can be used as a bootable drive. Before we proceed to the next session, be sure that you have backed up all vital files and folders. Now shut down your PC and before you switch it back on, slot in your bootable USB pen. Having inserted your bootable USB drive, you would have to access the boot menu, which varies from one PC to the other depending on the manufacturer. These keys range from Escape, F2, F10 or F12. Now switch back on your PC and press the shortcut key responsible for issuing the boot menu command on your PC. From the options, select USB storage device to enable your PC to boot from your bootable pen drive. Click on the Next button and the Install Now button to proceed. Next, search for a befitting product key suitable for the operation system you are installing using the Google search engine. Now, insert your product key and click on Next. Now, check the I accept license terms checkbox and click on Next. Here, you will be faced with two options. Option 1 ensures that your PC is upgraded, keeping your files, settings and applications, whilst option 2 ensures that you format your machine, losing all your files and folders. At this point, you need to specify the drive on which you would want to install your operating system. Select Format, and click on Next. Now sit back and allow for 100% completion installation of the various features. Also note that your PC will restart a couple of times. Do not panic. Now choose your favorite color, which will be used as your default theme color. And enter your PC name. Click on Next. Log onto the available internet access you are legally entitled to. Select Use Express Settings. Insert your login username and password. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Windows on your PC using a bootable USB pen drive. Endeavor to subscribe to the YouTube channel Learn IT Online Plus, your mobile IT class, for more free online tutorials. Also, share with us your recommendations, your suggestions, and your challenges for feedback. Thank you.